Hello everyone, it's Deb. Well, guess what? It's time for my positivity movement. No emotional thing this week, I promise. Sorry about last week, but the kitty got to me, you know. Anyway, so it took me a while this morning. I really had to think about this, but then I weighed myself because it's Monday. And yes, for February up until today, I did meet just my weight loss goal, but I met it. So I'm doing better. And part of that is I am really tracking what I eat and drink and everything. Every little thing that goes into my mouth it was going into a book that I was keeping, but now a nurse's aide at where my mother is told me about a program called Lose It, and there's a free version that will track your calories for you, and there's an upgrade. I think it's $29.99 a year or something, and then you can track your fat content, your cholesterol, if your sugars, your exercise, your sleep, all of that. And I wasn't going to upgrade, but I did. So I have 1 year, and I am using it faithfully. Every time I eat, I have it by my side and on my phone, and I plug it in, and it's wonderful. It tells me how many calories I have left in the day. So like today, I cannot have a snack and dinner too, because I'll go over. It split them into snack and dinner, but I know if I have the snack, I'm going to go over at dinner. So I'm going to forego the snack and try and water it up. You know, that's helping. That is really helping. The log was good too, but it didn't tell me how many calories and sugars and proteins and stuff like that I was taking in. And so this will be something good that the next time I go see my doctor in a couple months, I can show her also and say, here's what I'm doing, because it gives you a history once I have more history in there, you know. So I'm keeping it up. Little weak on the exercise department, a lot weak on that, but I'm going to do better this week, so, and this month. So anyway, that's my first one, is I met my February weight loss goal. Sad to say that, well, I don't even want to say sad to say. I did it. That's it. Anyway, also the only other thing I could think of is that we had a few days last week that were really mild, like 53 and 56 or something like that degrees. Little nippy still because it was windy, and you definitely had to wear, you know, like lightweight jacket or sweater or something. Well, today is actually 60. So I'm very thankful that it's been a mild winter, because even though I love to look at snow, I really don't like shoveling it. And I have to do that with my son, you know, when he's home and not working. I have to do that because I just do. It's our house and we have to do it. So those are my two positives for February 24th through March 1st, which was yesterday. And I'm going to put them in our little can. I hope you're having some positivity in your life despite some of the negative stuff that's going on in this crazy world, right? I've been watching a lot of it. Like, for example, the coronavirus 19. And what I'll just say to that is, don't panic, but be prepared. Be prepared, guys. Don't panic, at least not yet, but definitely prepare yourselves. And if you have any questions or want to talk about that, you can email me. Or those of you that know me, you can message me. So yeah, that's my positivity for the week, and I put it in my pretty little positivity can with my pretty buttons and bling and stuff. And getting there. We have a month and a week in here because I skipped January, but yeah, The bigger can than Jen's. Oh, and that's the other thing. Happy birthday to Jen Evers. Her birthday is today. Yay! She is the person that runs KalliTuxedo Crafts online website, and also has a Facebook group page. Group, not page, group. And she is Jen Evers here on YouTube, and does I believe this Saturday she's having another crafty online garage sale, so be sure to check her out if you need anything or want anything. Let's support our small women-owned businesses, right? Or just small businesses in general. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.